Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I have already showed you how to make Snickers and Bounty cake, but this time I will show you how to make TWIX cake. This recipe is of course going to be vegan, super easy to make and no bake. But now let's get started, and we will be starting with the base. To make it you are going to need 300 grams of cookies. I am using just regular digestive cookies. And 120 grams of vegan butter, which will of course need to be melted. If you wish, you can of course substitute it with melted coconut oil. Place cookies in a food processor and process for a couple of minutes until you get consistency like this. Add your melted vegan butter and process for a couple of minutes until both ingredients are well combined. Place the mixture in a cake tin which is about 20 centimeters, even it out and press it down. But now let's continue with the filling. For filling you are going to need 300 grams of peanut butter, 100 milliliters of maple syrup, 100 grams of coconut oil, which of course has to be melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Place all ingredients in a food processor and process again for a couple of minutes until mixture is smooth and creamy. Pour the filling on the base of the cake, even it out and put it in the freezer for approximately 30 minutes. And meanwhile we are going to prepare chocolate glaze. To make it you are going to need 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 milliliters of coconut milk which is heated up. Pour the heated coconut milk on the chocolate and mix for a couple of minutes until chocolate melts and consistency is smooth. Pour the glaze on the top of the filling, even it out and put it back in the freezer for at least 2 hours until cake firms up. When that's done, take it out of the form, and if you wish you can decorate it with some sea salt flakes. Cut it in slices and you are ready to go. And here is our delicious and easy to make vegan TWIX cake. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you are going to try it out. You can find all the details below this video. Please click like, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye!